Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. So before starting the video, make sure you have subscribed to my channel, hit the bell icon and like the video. So in today's video, we're gonna make a phone stand to keep the phone vertical. This was suggested by one of our subscribers. So let's start with it. First, what we need is a A4 size sheet. You can use any paper or any thick sheet, whichever you want. First, we need to fold it into half, and then again we need to fold it into half, and then repeat the same again. We need to do this till we get 8 long rectangles. You can see the video and follow the same steps. So here we got our 8 rectangles. Now we'll combine them and now fold them together into half. Now take a ruler and mark 2 centimeters on the sheet when it's folded half. First, make one fold at the length of 1 centimeter and make second fold at the length of 2 centimeter. Make the fold tight so that our phone will easily rest on it. Now we got 4 rectangles in middle. So at the edge line of first rectangle, fold the sheet as I am folding. Do the same from both sides, that we totally got 4 mini rectangles and 4 giant rectangles in this sheet. Now glue the 4 mini rectangles together in L shape so that our phone should rest on it. You can see how I am doing. Do repeat the same. Now insert the first and last rectangle of the sheet together. And here our phone stand is almost ready. Now what you need to do is tie the edges so that it would be long lasting. Now you can see our phone rests vertically as well as horizontally on the phone stand. So I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.